loves, welcome back. Today we're starting on this oversized size 3XL t-shirt and we're going to turn it into a cute little bodycon dress. So to start, we're going to flip our shirt inside out and then lay it flat.
Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned.
Now we're going to take a dress that we like the size and fit of and we're going to lay it right on top of our t-shirt, smoothing it out and laying it flat, making sure the bottoms are kissing.
Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Maybe got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is.
Now I'm gonna just take a dark marker and trace around the dress, making sure to leave like an inch for seam lines.
Heard you got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips, giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
It's cool, man. Got red bottles on. Life is good. You know what I mean?
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they do.
So I made one side a little curvier than the other side, so I'm just going through trying to fix that up.
On my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something.
So now I'm just sewing the two sides together. You don't want to sew the top or the bottom because then it won't be a dress. You're just going to sew the two sides up and this is what the seams end up looking like.
Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FBP, God forbid.
So now I'm going to go through, turn the shirt inside out and carefully seam rip the pocket off. Y'all, don't be like me. Look at y'all shirt beforehand so y'all can take the pocket off first and not have to do it last minute. But after that, I'm just gonna slay the fabric. You never know what you might need a pocket for.
Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
It's cool, man. Got red bottles on. Life is good. You know what I mean?
Working on the weekend like usual.
Y'all probably looking like, OMG, that is so ghetto, what is she doing? But let me explain. Okay, so I needed to get the edges down, you know, to hem them. And I felt like flat ironing them was easy because I don't gotta worry about folding them in. They already gonna stay down because of the heat. And it made it a lot easier. So if you got a flat iron, I recommend this step if you're doing a t-shirt dress or whatever. So I'm going through, holding it on the fabric for a few seconds so, you know, it could naturally crease. And then I'm gonna go through and sew. It's just that easy.
Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Maybe got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FBP, God forbid. Heard you got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips, giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up.
So now I'm just making some straps. I cut off like 3 inches from the shirt and I cut that in half. And where it rolls over on itself, we're just gonna stretch it, and that's gonna be our straps, like just like that. We're gonna cut it however long you want them, and we're gonna sew it right on.
Life is good. You know what I mean?
Working on a weekend.
First off, if you made it this far, thank you. And once you sew the straps on, your dress is good to go.
Too much. Haven't done my taxes. I'm too turned up.
Congratulations, you made it to the end. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
I tell you if it was us, man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh?
6 million ways to die, choose one.
They call me Megatron, just did a telethon. He got my jealous on, and I get my jealous on. I f*** him like I miss him, he just came out of prison. He talking shit, but they ain't got a